Morning everybody. I'm going to be using Rubio Monocoat and applying it with just clean cotton rags and my hands. Don't have any fancy buffers or anything, and I'm going to try making do with what I have on hand. I already have my Rubio mixed up. Ready to go. Make sure you start your project from the bottom side so that way you don't flip over your project onto your finished side or your top. Always be certain to get your edges real well. And that is how I apply Rubio Monocoat without having a buffer or using any special tools. The finish looks great. Once it's dry, if you missed a spot, you could always mix up a little bit and reapply. The coats cover the bare wood real well. It looks great.